Okay, let's start. In this video I talk about function. Function is a code that is used for reusing the functionality. Okay, let's start with coding. Wait, cd. Okay, I create a simple folder called coding. I already created that. I changed the directory into coding. Then create a simple python file. Okay, I first create a function. Okay, def square value of x. I give some space. It is for the space is mean. The space is called indentation. I create some space between. You can notice this. The space means indentation. Okay, then print square value of 5. Save, exit. Python 3 simple.py. I get the 25. It returned 25. Okay, peace.